Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the machine and entering recovery now. Power the VAIO with AC attached and remove all USB drives. Press the model-specific key, Assist, F2 for BIOS, or F11 for recovery, immediately as the VAIO logo appears. This forces the recovery environment or BIOS so you can see the drive option. If the recovery partition is missing, use a Windows Install USB prepared on another PC. Once done, set USB as first boot in UEFI and save changes, so the installer or recovery media runs next. Once the installer or recovery environment is running, go to repair your computer and open command prompt to fix boot records. Run bootrex/fixember and bootrex/fixboot to restore the master boot. Follow with bootrex/rebuild to detect Windows installations. Also run chkdskc/f/r to repair file system errors that hide the OS. If the VAIO uses UEFI, use diskpart to assign a letter to the EFI partition and then run bcdboot/Windows/lnus/ss. After repairing boot records, set the internal drive as primary in BIOS/UEFI, remove USB media, and reboot to test startup. If Windows still won't load, restore the VAIO recovery image using the recovery USB or proceed with a clean Windows install. Choose Custom Install and format the system partition if needed. If things go wrong, check BIOS storage mode, OSI versus IDE, because an incorrect setting can make the OS invisible. Switch it back to the original mode and retry boot or rerun bcdboot to rebuild entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.